Let's help language grow.
Hi, my name is Darcy Lees, and I'm a regional consultant with PRC-Saltillo. I support PRC products here in Michigan. There are many simple ways to model and teach language during daily routines at home. I'd like to show you some ways to use the words go and stop. Sometimes during the day, we have different errands to run or places that we get to go. One might be outside, to the backyard, the library, but right now, my friend Guster the cat has to go to the vet. He's in his cat carrier, and he is ready to go. You're likely to see one or two of these when you're out running your errands, and you'll need to stop. I'm sure you have some little toys around the house that would be great to work on go and stop. So I'm going to use my little wind-up dog here, and I want him to go. Go. And go. Go. Can you go again? Nope. He came to a
stop.
He was tired and had to
stop.
Using toy vehicles or maybe a real wagon would be a great way to use the words go and stop. So my little person here is in her wagon, and she looks like she's ready to go. Going down the road. Let pause or slow down. Go to get to go some more. When you get to a friend, she may ask to stop so that her friend can get in the wagon. And now we're all settled. Let's get going. I hope you'll find some time this week to teach the words go and stop.